Well, hello there, Ingafay here, and today we are going to talk about skincare products that help acne. Let's do this, shall we? So, the reason I wanted to bring this up at this particular time is that June is skincare month. And I wanted to share products that can really help different issues that people have with their skin. Being that it's warm outside, very humid, acne can be definitely an issue that people are dealing with, if not just in the summertime, but a year round type of event. So I wanted to share some skincare products that will help you with your acne issues. So in this video, first and foremost, we're going to talk about two ingredients that you want to look for in your acne products that will help treat your acne. We're going to talk about one specific product that I'm going to recommend that comes in two different sizes. So you get to try, well, I won't say you get to try before you buy, but at least you'll be able to have a trial size that you can really see if it's going to work for you. And the product that I am sharing, it gives you results in 7 days. So you guys will love to know that. And then last but definitely not least, we will show you exactly how to use the system. Let's do this. All right, so now we are going to talk about two key ingredients that you want to have in your acne products. One would be benzoyl peroxide, and then the other would be salicylic acid. So when you're looking for a product for your acne, those are two ingredients that you want to have because these are going to help, one, dry up the excess oil and then help to replenish the skin over time. So what the product that I wanted to share with you that I really think is going to help you with your acne is the Clearproof system. And the Clearproof system has four basic products that is in the system. First and foremost, there is the cleanser. And the cleanser has the salicylic acid, has 2% salicylic acid. So it's going to help really remove that excess oil and dry out the pimples that you have on your face. So you're going to be able to use that with the cleanser. Then the next product that you're going to use that also has the salicylic acid would be the toner. And the toner is going to help refine your pores and remove any impurities that you have up under the skin. So this is going to get deeply cleanse out your pores, that where really the pimple starts. The next product I want to show you is the benzoyl peroxide acne treatment. And this product is going to help dry up those acne bumps that you may have and help you do that over time. So then this would be the third product. And last but definitely not least is a moisturizer. Now, I'm sure you're thinking that because you have acne, you don't think you need moisturizer, but you do want a moisturizer even when you have oily skin, because that's typically what kind of skin people have when they have acne. And the key to choosing the moisturizer for acne prone skin is making sure that it's oil free. So you are going to use these products in conjunction with one another. And before I actually show you how to use it, I do want to show you this set that I'm showing you right now is the full size set. And you can purchase this all at once, or you can buy it in individuals. However, I will tell you you do get a discount when you buy the whole set. So piecemealing it would actually cost you more. In addition to buying the whole set, we do also have available a Go set, which can be used either as a travel set, something that you can actually put in your bag so it's TSA approved, or for those that just want to kind of try the set first before they buy the full size. And this is going to allow you to try the set and really see if it's going to work for you. This is typically, the set will last probably about 2 weeks. So you'll get about 2 weeks of usage out of it, so you can really see how it really does clear up your skin when you use it like you're supposed to consistently, because consistency is the key for sure. So if you're interested in that and trying it in the mini size, we'll make sure that we have those links down in the description of this video for you to check out, so you can get the mini size, or the Go set is what it's called, or you can go straight up to the full size. Just so you know, if you decide to buy the mini size, If you're buying it from me, I will allow you to use the money that you used on the mini if you want to upgrade it to the full size, so you don't have to spend any, well, you'll spend the difference in the prices, but you won't have to pay for two products twice. Okay. So this will be, the amount of money for this will go towards your full size set, is what I'm saying. So I'm curious, are you using products right now that has the salicylic acid and the benzoyl peroxide in it? If not, this is a great set to have. It has both in it, and it's really going to help you clear up your acne in 7 days. That's what we have seen with our clients. So now let's get down to the nitty gritty, because I know you really want to know how to use this product. Because I mean, if you don't know how to use it, how are you going to make it work, right? All right, so first and foremost, you're going to start off with the cleanser. You're going to wet your face with the cleanser using upward and outward strokes. You would use this cleanser twice a day. Why twice a day? Because you want to remove the impurities of the day at night, and you want to use the particulate and sweat, or the particulates from your linen and the sweat from the night in the morning. So you definitely want to make sure that you're cleansing your face. I like to use a cleansing brush with this. So if you don't have one, that would definitely be an upgrade, because it helps exfoliate your skin more. So this would be used twice a day. So of course, you're going to start off with the moisturizer. Wet your face, use an upward and outward strokes, cleanse your face for 60 seconds, and pat it dry. The next step would then be the toner. You would squirt the toner on a cotton ball and just wipe it all over your face. You would let it air dry. You would not rinse this off at all, the toner. So it's the cleanser and then the toner. So that's step 2. Now, the great thing is, if you have any kind of breakout or any bumps on your face that you want to treat with the acne gel, you want to do this before you put on your moisturizer. Why, you might ask? Because you want any kind of serum or any treatment that you're doing to your skin, you want to apply it to your face before you put the moisturizer on, so it can be the closest to the skin. So then the next thing you would apply would be the acne gel. And then last but definitely not least, you would then apply your moisturizer. So it's cleanse, you wet your face, cleanse your face, wash it off, pat dry, then squirt on the toner to apply the toner on your face, let it air dry, then put on the acne treatment gel as the third step, and last but definitely not least, follow it up with the moisturizer. And then you can apply your foundation, your primer, all of the stuff that you would normally do for your glamour portion of your routine. So like I was saying, the links for these products are going to be down in the description, so you get to choose whether you want the mini size or the full size. Anyone you know that is struggling with their acne, tell them about it. Share this video with 3 of your friends so they can see what else is out there. Everything is 100% guaranteed, so they don't lose anything by trying. So give it a try. Let us see if this works for you, and share it with friends. Okay. Thanks for watching. As always, we'll see you next time, and take care. Bye for now.